Hey, how are you?
Hello, how can I help you today?
Doing pretty good. Can you explain to me what Hacker News is?
Hacker News is a social news website that focuses on computer science and entrepreneurship. It's run by Y Combinator, a startup accelerator. Users can submit stories, which are typically links to news articles, blog posts, or discussion threads related to technology, startups, programming, and more. Other users can then upvote or downvote these submissions and participate in discussions. The site is known for its minimalistic design and high quality content.
Can you get the current time in New York City and then tell it to me?
The current time in New York City is 6:46 p.m.
That's right. Okay. Launch Hacker News. Perfect. Could you change the background to white, maybe? Okay, maybe let's look at it in light mode. Looks good. Could you activate party mode? Nice. So as you can see here, this is the Nextjs starter kit for real-time API, uses WebRTC. And then if you click the banner over here, this is the component library where you can add in components into your Next.js project using the same setup of the WebRTC hook.